Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and go to Google account. Tap on Next and tap on Add Account. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it. So tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And now let's enter your screen lock if you've got one to confirm everything. Now in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Alright, let's choose the account, and now we can decide what kind of data we'd like to back up. So it's either photos and videos or other device data like contacts, apps data, etc. Of course, you can back up both. I will choose only other device data, but it's up to you. And then tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. Of course, enter your screen lock to confirm, and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.